Hi, I'm Mark Clever and welcome to the Photographer Academy, and we're photographing in studio with, oh, she's there a minute, okay, but she's going to be there in a minute, Molly, and we're doing a silk sheet shoot, try saying that with a stutter, and basically we're using two lights to create a more of a kind of a commercial advertising style of image. If you're familiar with the stage musical Cats, there was a very, very famous image going back to the 80s, I think it was, of the main lead actually almost kind of draped in the kind of the curtain, and that kind of image has inspired us for this kind of shot with it and things really. So we're creating it for a kind of a Think Pink month to do with breast cancer awareness and everything else with it. So we're kind of doing it as a bit of a kind of a celebration image as well as an awareness image as well with it and things really. So we're using two lights. We're using that one there, that one, wherever it is, that one, and that is a Elinchrom ELC, and it's fitted with a Photix round light with egg crates actually on the front, okay, so it's going to control the spill of the light, not kind of feather it out. Then just in the background, just hidden behind the silk there, that's that one up there anyway, that is a snoot on the end of a little Elinchrom D-Light 1. The only reason that we're using the D-Light 1 as the backlight is it already had the snoot on and it was already on the actual high stand, so it was quicker to actually run with it. As a rule, I would tend to actually use the Elinchrom ELCs because they're faster in their regeneration, so the capacitor will charge faster, which means I can shoot quicker if that's what I want. But you know what? It's also good in a way to actually slow yourself down. But if there's any images that you don't see the hair light, which is subtle, yeah, it looks like it's almost passing over the top of her, because what I'm trying to do is minimize any light onto the shoulders. But if you do see a shot where there's no hair light, it's basically because I've shot too fast for the capacitor and it hasn't had time to charge. So what we're going to do, we're shooting on f4, but probably I'm going to whack this up to f8 for a better depth of field, but we'll see how it goes. The key light is running on the likes of group 1. The backlight is running on f4, and I'll show you the kind of different setups as we're going along with it. Princess, who is going to be in pink, come on in for me, please. So just while Molly is coming onto set, we've basically got a background rail, a background support rail, which is supporting with the silk because it's clipped on. In the background then we've got a flower wall, which is hooked onto a black you just appeared. Okay, so can you wrap it through? So the main thing is to make it look like we're nude, and to lose the straps, please, Moll, or at least the one, if that's visible, and basically pop it between the legs to show off as much leg as you can. And then if it's going to show pant on this side, which it shouldn't, basically we'll hide it. Let me just have a quick look. Let me focus point onto the face. That's gorgeous there. Quick test, Molly. It's coming through. Yeah, it's good. Okay, so if you didn't like that very black shadow line there, okay, I put the flat there so I could use this straight away as a reflector. This will now basically show that Molly has got pants on, okay, because it's going to just bring the shadow alive on the left side of the body. Let's just have a quick look again. So at this stage, we really do need to actually, if we are going to actually light that side, we'd need to actually make sure that the cloth is kind of tucked in and everything else with it and things really. Okay, so I'm going to go for black though. We still need to concentrate on the pant though, because I want to minimize the retouching. Molly, walk forward just a fraction. There we go. That's great. Let's perfect this first, shall we? Can you just tuck this in underneath a piece of the pant, just a little bit around the back there? That's great. It's good, good, good. And then through the leg and just actually hang on. So around by the waist, almost grip it there. That's lovely. Okay, it's good. Move this way a touch. Whoa, that's it. Twist the body this way a little bit. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Head to me. I've got a strap just visible. wants the earth? That's good, okay, just there for it. Raise the chin a little bit more, Molly. That's lovely, it's there. Let's grip the silk a little bit, but turn the hand to the side. That's lovely, darling. Almost step away from it a touch more. It's almost a bit too wide at the top there. Can you see what it's like if you turn around, or can you stretch up higher with the hand? There you go. Yeah, you use the left hand to actually hide the pants again with the left hand. Bring that around by the waist. Stick this part between the legs again. Bring that up higher. That's it. Yeah, brilliant. Just a little bit lower. Want to see a little bit more as if you are implied nude. That's great, just there. Okay, that's gorgeous. And again, lean into me, Molly, just a touch more, darling. Looking off to the side. It's lovely. And again, little expression. Happier. Look high to the light. It's gorgeous there. And again, happy. Beautiful, darling. Very well done. Let's sort out this bottom. It looks a little bit like a nappy. So let it all go a minute and then push it through again. Almost wrap it around a leg. I know it's not long enough. Hang on, I can give you some more. Hang on a minute. Let me lower it down. I'm going to give you some more a minute. Stay there. It wouldn't, if I wasn't so tight and I bought a longer piece of material, it would have been a lot easier, wouldn't it? I actually think there's another piece and I don't know where it's gone. Brandon says no, but we shot a shot months ago and it was definitely double the length. Oh, that's perfect. I love it, I love it, I love it. Let's do it. And again, darling, happier. Beautiful. And again for me, straight at me, darling. That's gorgeous. Lower the chin a touch more, cheekier. That's lovely. Twist this hand around more. That's gorgeous. And again, off towards the side. I've got a little bit of bra showing again. That's it. It's lovely. It's there. Let's do it. And again, turn the head way more. It's gorgeous. Whip off the bra for me a minute. Let's stay on screen, please. If you turn your back to me, Mol. It'll be easier without the bra because then we only have to concentrate on the pants and things really. And if you're working with a real client, obviously at this stage you would say, is there any chance, do you mind to lose the bra? Just turn your back to me and everything else with it. It'll just make it a lot easier no matter what with it and things really, okay? So always get the client to turn their backs, then pretty much you can kind of get away with anything. You almost done, Mol? Okay. You're a cocoon. Right, let's do the same shot. Where the hell have you gone? Okay, that's lovely. All right, let's just worry about the pants. That's it, we're there. Much better. Okay, keep it. It's lovely. Looking down to the floor, darling. I still got pants showing, so just take, there you go. It's better. Again, it's lovely. Eyes to me now, just the eyes. Lower the chin, darling. Happier, just a touch more. It's lovely. Looking away again. It's gorgeous. Look high now to the light. Big expression. It's beautiful. And again, that's lovely. Relax, nice. Way, nice shot. It's really good. Love it and things really. A little bit of fraying just actually down that one edge and things really, but you know, we've got a really nice image, a very commercial three-dimensional image as well with it. The key light is obviously being controlled. The hair light is just enough for the separation, and that's the main part for me, is to just kind of make sure it looks kind of real. And you know, Molly's a little bit of celebrity and things really, so it kind of really gives us that kind of high-end look and feel and things. But things like the frayed edge, I've got to retouch it now, or we'll do some more shots in a minute. But anyway, thanks for joining me for part 1 of the pink sheet. We'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.